We're going hiking?
He is about to say Bahamas.
Canyonlands National Park, February 29th, Leap Day, 2020. Come here, buddy. Hiya! Hi! What are you doing up there?
Yo, don't you know?
I
He's looking
am-
for kisses. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta try?
You climbing?
Whoa.
Can we go up here, please?
You gonna try?
No. No.
Dynamo. Slow.
Choo choo!
Small force. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but there's a formation change here, sweetie.
The Kayenta Formation and the White Sand Formation. Yes, it is.
It could be the Kayenta. This could be Wingate. You all the way at the top? Can you roar? Roar. Grandpa enjoying the view. Mostly enjoying Isle. But there's a view too.
Right. We made it out.
You're crazy, guy.
Go away!
No, say hi, friend.
Go fly. Can you go fly? Go fly.
Go fly.
I don't know how much food was on you, Atlas.
You gonna blow him away with your breath? Hiya.
Get out
Mira
my
me.
ears. Get out my ears.
You guys are so...
We made a lot of peanut butter and jelly and we haven't eaten one yet.
Put on my belly.
You gonna put your belly on it?
Or just, yeah. It's because the
What are you doing?
Oh, are there any animals down there?
Go get it! Oh! Kayenta, the Wingate, the Chinle, the Moenkopi, and the Cutler formations. A lot of history here. Millions of years.